As per the survey by researchers of Simmons College, students carry loads heavier than 15% of their body weight. This leads to do a lot of damage to their bones. The US Consumer Product Safety Commission has reported that in 1999 more than 800 kids were treated in emergency wards for backpack related injuries including chronic shoulder, neck and back pain. In our country, a committee chaired by Professor Eshpal was constituted in the year 1993 by the Ministry of Human Resources and Development. The committee recommended that the primary school children, especially for class 1 and 2, they should not be given any homework, and even for higher classes it should be non-textual and no compulsion for school children to carry heavy books to school. Heavy school bags are a serious threat to the health and well-being of the school students. It has severe adverse physical effect on growing children, which can cause damage to their vertebral column and knees. Taking the load off school bags for students in class 1 and 2 should not be above 1.5 kg. For classes 3 to 5, it should be 2 to 3 kg. For classes 6 and 7th, it should be 4 kg. For classes 8 to 9, it should be 4.5 kg, and for class 10, it should be 5 kg. If excess of homework is given to the students, they are unable to get time for other extracurricular activities. Apart from that, students may feel anxiety and stress if they are not able to complete their homework on time. Students also develop obesity, that is overweight, due to lack of physical exercises. When assignments or homeworks are given carelessly and frequently, it causes students to lose interest in the subject. Hence, teachers should give the homeworks properly. Excessive homework can increase negative attitudes to school and motivation, leads to cheating and copying, and increase divisions between children from different backgrounds. Now, question is, how much homework should be given? For this, limited amount of homework should be given, and it should be creative and interesting so that the child enjoys it. Now let us learn some of the important word meanings in the lesson. Reinforce, make a feeling or an idea stronger. Counterproductive, having the opposite effect to the intended. Excessive, greater than what seems reasonable. Dates means exists. Curriculum, the subjects that are included in a course of study. Obesity, the state of being very fat. Precious, valuable or important. Overwhelming, very great. Toil, hard, unpleasant work. Hinder, to make it difficult for somebody to do something.